Hi, this is Daniel, and you're listening to English Unlocked. Today, we will listen to real conversations in English. Simple conversations. Everyday English. You don't need to repeat. Just listen and relax. Let's begin. Conversation 1. Two people meet in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. That's good. This is how many conversations start. Simple and friendly. Now listen again. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Easy English. Real life English. Conversation 2. At work. Hi. Hi. Are you busy right now? A little, but I can talk. I have a question. Sure. Can you help me? Yes, of course. No problem. People often say these phrases at work. They are polite and useful. Now listen again. Are you busy? Can you help me? Yes, of course. Conversation 3. At a café. Hello. Hi. Can I get a coffee, please? Sure. Anything else? No, that's all. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. This is very common English. You can hear it every day. Conversation 4. In the evening. How was your day? It was okay. Busy? Yes, a little. And you? My day was fine. Simple questions. Simple answers. Conversation 5. Before leaving. I need to go now. Okay. See you tomorrow. See you. Have a nice evening. You too. These short conversations help you communicate. You don't need long sentences. Just clear words. Just real English. You can listen again. You can relax. English becomes easier when you hear it many times. Conversation 6. In a shop. Hello. Hi. Can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a t-shirt. What size do you need? Medium. What color? Blue. Here you are. Thank you. I'll take it. Great. This is very common English in shops. Now listen again. I'm looking for. What size do you need? I'll take it. Conversation 7. On the phone. Hello. Hi, this is Anna. Hi, Anna. Is this a good time? Yes, it is. I have a question. Sure. Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, that works. What time? 10 in the morning. Okay. See you then. See you. Phone conversations are short and clear. Conversation 8. At the bus stop. Excuse me. Yes. Does this bus go to the center? Yes, it does. How long does it take? About 15 minutes. Thank you. You're welcome. Conversation 9. At work again. Do you have a minute? Yes. I need some help. Okay. What do you need? This report. I can help you later. That's fine. Thank you. No problem. Conversation 10. Meeting someone you know. Hi, long time no see. Hi. Yes, it's been a while. How have you been? Good. And you? Good too. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. These conversations are real. You can hear them every day. Short sentences. Clear meaning. You don't need perfect English. You need useful English. Listening helps your brain. Get used to real conversations. You can listen again. You can relax. Conversation 11. At home. Are you hungry? Yes, a little. What do you want to eat? Something simple. Okay. I'll make dinner. Thank you. No problem. These phrases are very common at home. Conversation 12. In the morning. Did you sleep well? Yes. What time is it? It's 7. Are you ready? Almost. Let's go. Okay. Short questions. Short answers. Conversation 13. At the doctor's office. Hello. Hello. What seems to be the problem? I don't feel well. Do you have a headache? Yes, a little. Any other symptoms? No. Okay. Please sit down. Thank you. These are simple and useful phrases. Conversation 14. At the gym. Hi. Hi. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is. Do you need help? Yes, please. I can show you. Thank you. Conversation 15. Before starting work. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Let's begin. Okay. Conversation 16. At the end of the day. How was work today? It was busy. Are you tired? Yes, very. Do you want to rest? Yes. These conversations are part of daily life. You hear them at home, at work, in the city. They are simple. They are natural. Listening to real conversations helps you feel more confident. You don't need to speak now. Just listen. English becomes familiar when you hear it often. Conversation 17. In the street. Excuse me. Yes. Can you help me? Sure. Where is the nearest cafe? Over there, on the corner. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Asking for help is very common. Conversation 18. At the supermarket. Hello. Hi. Do you have this in another size? Yes, one moment. Here you are. Great, thanks. Anything else? No, that's all. Conversation 19. At work, during a meeting. Can we start? Yes. Any questions? Not right now. Let's continue. Okay. Simple phrases. Clear meaning. Conversation 20. Making plans. What are you doing later? Not much. Do you want to meet? Yes, that sounds good. What time? 6 o'clock. Where? At the café near the station. Okay, see you there. See you. Conversation 21. At home in the evening. I'm home. Hi. How was your day? It was long. Do you want some tea? Yes, please. Conversation 22. Before going to bed. I'm tired. Me too. What time do you wake up tomorrow? At 7. Okay. Good night. Good night. These conversations happen every day. They are short and natural. You don't need difficult grammar. You don't need long sentences. Real English is often simple. Listening to these conversations helps your brain remember patterns. You begin to recognize phrases. You begin to understand faster. You can listen again and again. There is no pressure. English becomes easier when you hear it in real situations. Conversation 23. At the office in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. Did you get my message? Yes, I did. Can we talk later? Sure, no problem. Conversation 24. At a restaurant. Hello. Hi. A table for two, please. Right this way. Here is the menu. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Yes. I'll have the chicken. And I'll have the salad. Anything to drink? Water, please. Conversation 25. After the meal. Did you like it? Yes, it was very good. Can we get the bill, please? Of course. Here you are. Thank you. Conversation 26. At work. Asking for information. Do you know where the meeting room is? Yes, it's on the second floor. Thank you. You're welcome. Conversation 27. Talking about plans. What are you doing this weekend? I'm not sure. Do you want to go out? Yes, maybe. We can decide later. Okay. Conversation 28. At home. I'm going to the store. Do we need anything? Yes, we need milk. Okay, I'll get it. Thanks. Conversation 29. In the evening. Do you want to watch something? Yes. What do you want to watch? Something simple. Okay. Conversation 30. Before sleeping. I'm tired. Me too. Let's go to bed. Okay. These conversations are very common. You can hear them every day. They are short. They are clear. This is how people really speak. You don't need complicated English to communicate. Listening to these conversations helps you feel more comfortable. You start to recognize phrases. You start to understand faster. You are learning real English, step by step. Conversation 31. At the door. Hi. Hi. Are you ready? Yes, just a minute. Okay, take your time. Thanks. Conversation 32. In a taxi. Good evening. Good evening. Where to? To the city centre, please. Sure. Thank you. How long will it take? About 20 minutes. Conversation 33. At work, during the day. Can you send me the file? Yes, I'll send it now. Great. No problem. Conversation 34. At a friend's place. Come in. Thanks. Make yourself comfortable. Okay. Do you want something to drink? Yes, please. Tea or coffee? Tea, please. Conversation 35. Talking about the weather. It's cold today. Yes, very cold. It might rain later. Really? Yes, that's what they say. Good to know. Conversation 36. At the supermarket checkout. Do you have a loyalty card? Yes. Would you like a receipt? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you. Conversation 37. At work, before a break. Do you want to take a break? Yes, that's a good idea. How long? 10 minutes. Okay. Conversation 38. Making a suggestion. Do you want to sit here? Yes, this is fine. It's quieter. Yes, I like it. Conversation 39. At home, in the evening. What time is it? It's almost 9. Do you want to eat now? Yes. I'll start cooking. Okay. Conversation 40. Before leaving. Don't forget your keys. Thanks. See you later. See you. These are real conversations. You hear them every day. They are simple. They are natural. You don't need perfect grammar. You need clear words. Listening to real English helps you feel more confident. You begin to understand without translating. You begin to react naturally. This is how English becomes familiar. Conversation 41. At the office. Are you free now? Yes. Can we talk? Sure. Conversation 42. At home. I'm back. Welcome home. How was your day? It was okay. Conversation 43. In a shop. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Here you go. Thank you. Conversation 44. At the bus stop. Is this the right bus? Yes, it is. Great. You're welcome. Conversation 45. At work. Do you need help? Yes, please. I'll help you. Thank you. Conversation 46. Making plans. Are you free tonight? Yes. Do you want to meet? Sure. Conversation 47. At home. I'm tired. Me too. Let's rest. Good idea. Conversation 48. At a café. Is this seat taken? No. Can I sit here? Yes. Conversation 49. Before leaving. I have to go. Okay. See you later. See you. Conversation 50. At the end of the day. Good night. Good night. Sleep well. Thank you. You have just listened to 50 real English conversations. Simple, natural, useful. This is how people really speak English every day. You don't need long sentences. You don't need difficult grammar. Real English is often short and clear. You can listen to these conversations again. You can listen while resting. You can listen anytime. Little by little, English becomes familiar. Thank you for listening. This was Daniel, and you were listening to English Unlocked. See you in the next lesson.